6 side hustles for tutors. 1. Create an online course. Online courses are one of the best ways to share your knowledge. They are also a great way to build your personal brand. One of the biggest benefits of creating an online course is that it allows people who do not have the time or money to go to school to learn from a subject they are interested in. It is also a great way to make money from home, and can be done for free if you have the right type of content. 2. Self-publish an ebook. Just like creating an online course, writing an ebook is also a great way to share your expertise with a wider audience. Ebooks can be highly effective in increasing your online following. You can get more students to sign up for your tutoring services. 3. Start learning pods. A learning pod is a small group of students who learn together outside the classroom but still in person. Some parents with small children are worried their kids would not have the attention spans needed for online learning. Also, many parents and teachers want their children to have social interaction and in-person instruction. You can search for homeschooler groups in your local area and offer your services. It can be an entire curriculum or a specific topic. You can even offer extracurricular activities. 4. Create and sell educational materials. Teachers Pay Teachers is one of the best online marketplaces to share all kinds of educational materials like documents, slideshows, presentations, games, etc. This might not bring in much due to high competition, but if you are already creating content for your own tutoring business, you might consider selling some of them to make some extra cash. 5. Write and sell articles. Easily earn money by writing and submitting articles to websites that pay for original content. One of the websites that pay per article is weareteachers.com. You can easily find more of these websites by searching for sites that pay for content. You can write about tutoring, opinions about educational topics, or your own field of expertise. 6. Create YouTube videos. The power of the internet has opened up a whole new world of opportunities, with YouTube being a great way to promote your content. If you're looking for a way to make money from your knowledge, creating videos is a great way. Additionally, if you have a large following, you could make money from adding affiliate links to your videos, so long as you get permission first.